I'm your host, Colby Jack, and here's Vanna. And our first contestant is Chicky Cheer.
Let's go Hawks!
And our next contestant is Baby 8. And for our last contestant, Nerdy Wordy. Our first question is, what is an invertebrate? We have an answer from Chicky Cheer.
A person with no skull.
And now for 300 bilateral symmetry. We have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
Two equal parts that mirror each other.
And now for 600 radial symmetry. Wait, we have radial symmetry from Baby 8.
Body organized around the center.
Oh, excuse me. We have 1,000. We have a symmetry from Chicky Cheer.
You can't draw straight lines down its body.
And the next 1,000 is color cells. We have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
Something to put on a dog.
No, the answer is lines the central gravity of the sponge. And we have 2,000 osculum. We have an answer from Baby 8.
Hole at the top of the middle cavity of the sponge.
And for another 2,000 pore cells, we have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
As holes to let water flow through the sponge.
And now for the $3,000 question. Nadarian. We have an answer from Chicky Cheer.
More complex than sponges.
We have 100 sponges. We have an answer from Baby 8.
He lives in a pineapple under the sea.
No, sorry. The answer is the simplest invertebrates. They are asymmetrical with no head or nerves. And now we have 300 jellyfish. And now we have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
Something to put on a sandwich.
You're making me hungry. No, sorry. The answer is eat other invertebrates and fish they catch with tentacles. And now for 600, we have endoskeleton. We have an answer from Shaky Cheer.
The skeleton inside the epidermis body. Cheerleaders are smarticles and the brinicles.
You are correct. And now for 1,000, we have roundworms. We have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
Has bodies that are long and slim.
You are correct. And now we have 1,000 crustaceans. And now we have an answer from Baby Yates.
The edge of pizza?
No, sorry. The answer is lives in the water, have gills, and 2 pair of antennae. And now for 2,000, we have planarians. We have an answer from Nerdy Wordy.
The planets in space?
Sorry, you're incorrect. The answer is have a clearly defined head and eye spots and eats other animals. And now for our last 2,000, exoskeleton. And now we have an answer from Shaky Cheer.
The skeleton that covers the outside of its body.
You are correct. Oh my gosh, it's finally happening for our last 3,000 mollusks. And now we have an answer from Baby Yates.
3 classes: gastropods, bivalves, and cephalopods.
Oh my gosh, you are correct. This is finally happening.
Hello, I'm your host, Chester Cheeto, and this is our Money Science Pyramid. Now this is our lovely Loxie Lovelace. And our first contestant is Baby Bob. And our second contestant is E-Dog. And our third contestant is Urkel. And the first box is, the heck is coral? We have an answer from Urkel.
Tiny cylinders that live in colonies and reefs.
I'm sorry, but you are correct. And the 300 box is sea anemones. We have an answer from Baby Bob.
Nemo's home.
Ooh, too bad. The answer is wrong. The actual answer is, it looks like brightly colored flowers. Some can move, stays in one spot. And the $600 is tapeworms. We have an answer from E-Dog.
Worms made out of tape.
Ooh, sorry, man. The answer is parasites. And the 1,000 is, what is that? I think it's annelid worms. We have an answer from Baby Bob.
Annelid worms are sometimes called segment worms.
$1,000 is... That was hot. And we have an answer from Urkel.
Are they feelers that sense touch, space, or smell?
Yes, you are correct. And the $2,000 is compound eye. We have an answer from E-Dog.
Made up of many identical light-sensitive units.
Yes, you are correct. And the $2,000 is antenna. We have an answer from Urkel.
Are they feelers that sense touch, space, or smell?
You're correct, Smarty Pants. And for the big bucks is radial nerve. We have an answer from E-Dog.
A nerve that plays music like a radio. Come on, please, right answer.
Sorry, man, but you are incorrect. The actual answer is it runs from the nerve ring to each arm in sea stars. And the $600 is nerve ring. We have an answer from Baby Bob.
A round mouth circle of nerve fibers.
Yes, you are correct. And the $1,000 is metamorphosis. We have an answer from Urkel.
Is it where you lay on your back and spread your legs?
Sorry, but the real answer is changes from eggs to an adult. And the next $1,000 is arthropods. We have an answer from Urkel.
Is it a segmented body, joint limbs, exoskeleton, and a well-developed nerve system?
Yes, you are correct. And that $2,000 is incomplete metamorphosis. We have an answer from E-Dog.
Has 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult.
Very good, you are correct. And the next $2,000 is complete metamorphosis. We have an answer from Baby Bob.
I made a complete poopy in my diaper.
Sorry, Baby Bob, but the actual answer is 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. And the $3,000 is water vascular system. We have an answer from E-Dog.
Water that has muscles like these guns right here.
Sorry, E-Dog, but you are wrong. The actual answer is the system uses water to help the animal move, eat, and breathe. Thanks for joining us on our Money Science Pyramid.
That's all, folks.